How to get Temu Referral code. The first things first is open up your Temu application and make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. So directly to your Google Play Store, right there, look for the Temu app and then just have the Temu application updated to ensure that you're using the newest or the latest version. Now, Temu Referral is not going to be available for everyone. So Temu Referral is actually um, a specific link in which new users will have a specific amount of coupons and discounts and as well as gifts, and you will also earn on your end. Now, for you to be able to have access in it, just open the app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, on the center portion of these options below that says you, just simply tap on that. And in here, as you can see, my account is not actually available for earning gifts and rewards. Now, if it's going to be available on your end, you should be able to see earn free gifts option. Just simply tap on that, and then you will be redirected to a certain page in which you will be inviting new users to download the application so that you will earn from here and as well. You just have to share the link to any platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or any available platforms that is going to be in partnership with Temu. So that's how you get your Temu referral code.